a Viza ultra fine glitter powder, which is very useful and it is very holographic, as you can see. And this jar comes in a unique double lid opening design, which you can use for your craft needs or any kind of project that you're doing. So let's open this up. And as you can see, it is so fine and very holographic. You can see the blue and green. They have also chunky glitter and iridescent and mica powders, which you can see, and it has a unique sparkle. The bluish green is just so unique, and you can use this for resin art, makeup, or jewelry making, nail art, or any other crafts. They are available in 80 plus colors. So check out in the description box. I have added the links for all their products, and you can easily work with this glitter. They are very fine yet very holographic. So today I'm going to show you in the nail art how you can use it. So I applied my nail polish, and while still it is wet, I applied this glitter so that it can stick, and you can sprinkle it using the brush or dab it with your fingers. It is so easy, and that's it. That's all you need to do. And you can create multiple effects with it, like you can add different colors of glitters and make it a rainbow or anything that you like. So I really like this quality of glitter, and when I applied the top coat, it just magnifies the holographic effect. It is so pretty and very stunning, and I really like this glitter. So I have the link in the description box if you like to purchase this, and it can be used for multiple purpose. And this is extremely fine grade glitter, and it is suitable to use on skin, like a makeup, body glitter, a hair powder spray, or glitter eyeshadow. Just do not use on pets. So if you enjoyed the review, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon. Thank you for watching.